Doghouse. I went around today and found 5 pallets, and I got these, a brand new, this is like $6 at Harbor Freight, and then the blanket, moving blanket was $6, and then I got these long, they're very long, I don't want to show you, but kind of right here, this very long, see, because I want to do it really fast because it is raining. I just got it put together and it's raining, and so the bottom, what I use is a piece of cardboard so she doesn't fall through it. But there she is, she's all happy, she's all dry, and see, there's the top of it, there's a back, and the two little sides, because I couldn't afford to buy her a $50 or $100. I just didn't have the money. I'm in between paydays, and I just didn't have the money. So, but I could afford $12. Well, it was 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 $15 for all the supplies. Oh, she loves it. She loves it. Oh, it's so good. And the reason she's outside in the rain is because I'm not inside. I'm glad you love it, Daphne. Yes, I'm glad you love it. Oh, it's so good. Because, hope she doesn't get cold. She had her sweater on, but she kept tearing it off, taking it off. Is because she's like 10 and a half years old. She'll be fine in here. If it gets too cold, I'll bring her in, but it shouldn't. Is because she keeps having potty accidents in the house, so I can't have that. And so this way she can just go whenever she wants to. All right, this is it. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was pretty easy to put together. Just had to take some time to go find some pallets and get a couple extra things. All right, take care, have a good day. And I'm going in the house before all my stuff gets rained on. All right, take care, bye-bye.